Hey, I'm Dan Harley. I'm a real person, an entrepreneur, tech guy, Boy Scout dad, and I've helped lots of people figure out how to make money online without wasting time or getting scammed. First of all, if you're already a seasoned trader, then you probably don't need to hear all this. So go ahead, hit the link below, and grab the 50% sign up bonus for Pocket Options and go for it. No need to join my mailing list unless you want the guide. And good luck to you. Now, but if you're new to trading or tried before and got frustrated, hang with me for just a little bit. I might have a pathway for you. So I've been there and done that. I've been there. We've all been there where we are short on cash and we need to make some money fast. Um, and I've tried everything, and most of it either didn't work or took way too long to put together. Then I bumped into Pocket Options, and it fascinated me. It caught my attention. I spent weeks working on a strategy that and finally got to work for me, and it works pretty darn good. And this strategy, I've always given it away. I'm hoping that somebody else can benefit from it. Um, Also improve on it and make it better, make it be even better than I made it. Now, this isn't a magic trick. It's real trading, and once you get in Pocket Options, you'll know you can lose money really, really fast if you don't know what you're doing. So, but if you practice first, follow my guideline, and stay disciplined, it might give you just the edge you need to get started. Also succeed. This could very well be a new future for you too. My guide can shave you. Hopefully, your learning curve will be cut from weeks down to maybe a couple hours. And honestly, you're probably just a few minutes away from placing your first trade. So, and now also, if you have any questions, my real email is at the bottom of this page. It's I do my best to respond to everyone. So be patient. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, and be smart, be safe, and good luck out there.